It is time for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. I am Maleficent, the Mistress of Darkness, and it's time to go in the party. Okay, check out my group. Don't we look fabulous? We have Cruella, Hades, Queen of Hearts, Captain Hook, and Dr. Facilier. We are officially in. We have our map with all of the special locations. We're going to get our treats back.
Enjoy the party tonight, everyone.
This is the only time adults can actually wear costumes to Magic Kingdom. It's so fun. If you've never done a Halloween party, it's something that everyone should experience at least once in their lives. All right. Here we go. I love it. You walk in, you get your treat bag, and you get your first candy. And this entrance is fabulous. And we have Cruella to meet us, greet us.
I'm innocent until proven guilty, of course. But gather around, everyone. Finally. They finally brought me puppies. You may applaud for Horace and Jasper only once.
And the party has started with a bang already. It's so fabulous. Cruella's amazing. Okay, the group pictures have happened in case the rain does come because the sky looks like it could happen at any minute. So we are gonna go ride Pirates of the Caribbean just in case it starts raining. And we have a pirate amongst us, so the picture must happen. So I will surreptitiously record other people in their costumes so you can see how great all the costumes are today, because it's fantastic. Off to Adventureland. Adventureland is not packed right now. The walking paths are clear. It's nice. Ah, pirates. Must ride pirates. First snack of the party is crawfish boutines. So we have crawfish, we have cheese curds, we have gravy, and we have fries, waffle fries. This looks good. Okay, so I have a little bite with, thank God that did not hit my outfit. A little bite of everything. It lives up to its Cajun name. It's very spicy. Those fries are dusted with Cajun seasoning. The crawfish are well cooked. The etouffee gravy is delicious. This is yummy. And I have to share because there's no way I can eat all this. Very good. So everyone concurred that that was delicious. My mouth is on fire. Thank goodness for this water. Woo. So we are doing snack time first. Everybody is a little hungry. So we're gonna go try several, not all, but several of the party exclusive snacks. So we're going to Fantasyland for the next one. Some fabulous costumes over here. Super cute. We are at Sleepy Hollow now for more snacks. I think Sarah is getting the creepy kimchi corn dog. Interesting. Look at all this deliciousness. So we did get the kimchi sauce corn dog, which we are not sure if we're gonna like that kimchi sauce or not. And this is the pumpkin spice deliciousness funnel cake over here. Ugh. Reaction?
Hot.
You hear that? The party has officially started.
Very good.
Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party has begun.
It's very good.
So you don't have like a horrible kimchi flavor?
I don't think so. I don't even know what that is.
But
it has a taste, but I don't know what it is.
The green sauce, yeah, like it's weird looking, but it doesn't really have a taste.
It's all no, but it's all. Oh wait a minute. No, it does not really have a taste. I don't know what it is,
but it's good.
It's tasty.
The corn dog is good.
The corn dog is phenomenal. And this has a little kick to it.
Then that's where the kimchi is, because kimchi is spicy.
It's this. I don't know what this is.
Okay, so I've cut a piece of this pumpkin spice deliciousness right here. So there's like an orange mousse and then like a cream on top. So we're just gonna try it all. And my favorite little pumpkin candies. See the sauce? I mean, not sauce. It's like that's where the pumpkin flavor's coming from. And then this is just like a cream, like whipped cream on top. And then it's got like a pumpkin spice flavor. It's really, really good. That is covered in blue cheese. What is this one called?
Buffalo chicken hand pie.
Buffalo chicken hand pie and
Some haunting jalapeno tots.
ooh, haunting jalapeno tots. Those both look really good, minus the blue cheese. How is that?
They're really good. It's like nacho cheese and chili, and then it has a jalapeno like cream on the top.
We have Lady Tremaine and the evil stepsisters meeting over here. Anastasia and Drizelda. One thing you can do at the Halloween party is meet special characters. So several villains are out. As you can see, Lady Tremaine is a spectacular villain. There's also a special, I'm not sure exactly what's happening over here, some sort of magic shot picture. We've got trick-or-treating, we've got stage shows, lots happening tonight, and of course, the snacks. There is no character over here, but pictures are being taken, so I'm assuming some sort of magic shot. Here is a candy station inside Princess Fairy Tale Hall. We are going to wait for candy for a little while. The only problem with trick-or-treating early in the party is you gotta carry that candy around, which we all have backpacks, so that's fine, but we're gonna go watch the stage show, the Villains stage show. We were in front of Cinderella Castle. We got a pretty good spot dead center for the first show of the Hocus Pocus Villains Spectacular. And guess what happened? Literally, as soon as they came out on stage to start the show, it started raining. So, Haunted Mansion it is. And the rain has stopped. We are almost to Haunted Mansion. I have a few wet feathers, but it's okay. But we're gonna get to go ride the ride, and hopefully, now it's raining again. It can't make its mind up. Something tragic happened. Maleficent horns broke. The lights on Haunted Mansion during a Halloween party are just fantastic. Everything's lit up, it's glowing, it looks so good. And we saw the front coming in, but it was raining, so hopefully it will not be raining when we leave, and I can really show you.
I am your host, your ghost host. Is this haunted room actually stretching? No flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive.
Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond.
It looks fabulous. It's raining, so I'm under an umbrella. So it's dark. Okay, so current situation. It is raining, not like a heavy rain, but to where it's gonna kind of ruin a lot of things. No stage show, no parade, etc., etc. So we decided we're gonna walk through Fantasyland and maybe ride a couple of indoor rides, because there's like, Peter Pan's Flight, It's a Small World, maybe do a little trick-or-treating, and hopefully this rain will pass. Well, we just tortured ourselves on It's a Small World. So now we're gonna go get some candy. So treat station number 1 for the day. So when you see these big light up things that say treats, get your candy bag out. There's Donald. Hi. Thank you. Oh, so we got a villains thing going on at the carousel too. Listen to that music. Maleficent's in here and the Evil Queen, and she asked Dr. Facilier to turn Snow White into a frog. Thank you. That was fabulous. And we have so much candy already.
It's so good. That's a surprise.
Okay, so the timetable's a little off because of the rain. So the stage show's not happening, but the 8:30 show or parade is happening at 9. So we have gotten a spot kind of in front of the castle, behind some strollers because we came in last minute. But strollers are good because they're short, and I think and I have bubbles in my face, but I'm okay with that because I think we have a pretty good spot for the parade.
Boy, I see you got my invitation.
Harvest hoedown I've been to.
I thought I fixed it. It's not fixed. And Aaron's boot just broke. So it's starting to rain again. They ran the parade, but there was no dancing. So the best part of the Boo-to-You parade, in my opinion, is the dancing ghosts and the grave diggers. And they were just walking and waving at people. So boo, boo, boo. I get it. It's the rain. So hopefully the rain will stop and we can catch the late parade and they'll actually be dancing, because that is literally my favorite part of a Halloween party. So we are going to repair again and head to Tomorrowland because there is another treat station, and we're gonna ride the PeopleMover. Thank goodness for rubber bands, or hair tie. We put a rubber band on Aaron's boot. We're going trick or treat time. Happy Halloween. 3 treat stations and the bag is full. Literally just 3. Also, Monsters Inc. Lab 4 is open. If you want to sit in here after you trick or treat, you can watch the show or you can walk on through. It is time for a ride around Tomorrowland on the PeopleMover. This is a must-do ride anytime, but I love it during parties because you kind of see all the special happenings in Tomorrowland, and Tomorrowland's the best at night. I don't know if you can see the sheets of rain coming down sideways at the moment.
Carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety,
I think this is a perfect opportunity to hit the treat bag.
Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trade. Transfer to green and red lines. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by 2 of my favorite spots.
please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
taken shelter underneath the People Mover. It's absolutely pouring. The feathers are gone. Everyone is modifying their costumes because it is pouring down rain. We're trying to decide if this party is over because with a rain like this, and I looked at the radar and it's really bad. There's no fireworks. There's no show. There's no party. So it is absolutely pouring. This is bad.
All right, we're walking undercover at the moment, but we have to go back out in the rain. It's so storming. The Emporium is dry. And there's Halloween merch. Mass exodus.
Okay, so technically the fireworks are happening, but it's not pleasant to stand out there in them. So I'm kind of over in front of the Emporium under shelter and I can see some of the fireworks. I guess it's better than nothing.
It's so smoky you can't see the castle anymore. And barely see the fireworks.
Okay, made it back to the hotel in the rain, all nice and disheveled. On the bus ride back, a little pop-up came up on the My Disney Experience app saying that your party ticket has been turned into a one-day park hopper ticket that can be used within the next year. Fantastic! Except I'm an annual pass holder, so I don't need a one-day park hopper ticket. So I did a chat on the Disney app. They gave me a phone number that I can call tomorrow and see about getting a refund. We still had fun. I mean, prior to the rain. You can't help the rain. It's going to happen. You know, you have to pick your party day way in advance because these things do sell out. So my advice to you, pick a party day, plan for it, and just bring rain gear because it can definitely happen. And because we saw the parade, but it was not the parade, you know, we didn't get the Headless Horseman, we didn't get the dancing ghosts, etc., etc. The fireworks, by the end of the fireworks, you couldn't even see the castle. It was so smoky because rain plus fireworks equals lots of smoke. And then just, it's not a pleasant experience being out in the rain. So on a normal day, you would just, you know, leave, especially in costume. It's really, really hard to, you know, so we stripped down our costume a long time ago. All of us did. We're, you know, took off what we could, put them in our backpacks, but I still had a good time. It was a good experience, and just fingers crossed next time I go to the Halloween party, it will not rain because it's a much more fun experience when you have good weather. I do hope you enjoyed this video anyway. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.